Today I'll edit this image in Lightroom CC. Take a look at a few before and after images of the edit. Hi all and welcome to Liquid Earth. I'm Age and I post photography and Lightroom tutorials and presets for your social media channels every week. Okay, let's start our edit with this image. I'm using Lightroom CC, but the same edits apply on the free Lightroom Mobile or Lightroom Classic. To start with, let's go into our edit panel and we're going to move our highlights down to -70. And we're going to take our shadows up to +70. Next we're going to go into our point curve. If it's not showing, you can toggle it on with this little icon here. And first of all, hit the grey, and that's the RGB channel. And we're going to lift up our blacks a little bit to make them dark grey. Click to put a centre point in and position it right in the centre. Click at the 3/4 line and you can adjust up just a tad. Next go into the reds, and we're going to take our reds up a little bit, and in the greens we're going to take our greens up very slightly, just in the middle, so it's just affecting the mid-tones. So you can see the effect that the point curve has had on the image by toggling it here. That's off and that's on, so it's only a very subtle effect at the moment. Okay, next we're going to go down to colour, and we're going to add some vibrance to the image. So we'll lift that up to +46, and for saturation we're going to go down to -44. And then in the colour mixer, again you can toggle it on and off using this little icon here. We'll start with reds, and for the red channel we'll take our saturation up to +30 and take your luminance up to +24. Next we'll go to orange, and we're going to take our hue down slightly to -10, saturation to +32, and take the luminance down to -28. Next in yellow, we're going to take the hue all the way down -100 into the oranges and reds, saturation +15 and luminance -30. Next we'll go to the greens, and we'll take our saturation down quite a lot to -93 and the luminance down to -56. Next is the aqua. Reduce the saturation to -36 and then go into the blues. +10 on the hue, and for saturation we're going to go to -80, and for luminance we're going to go to -34. Next is purples, so we're going to take our saturation down a little bit to -8, and our luminance we're going to add +42. Okay, and in the magenta channel we're going to add +50 to our saturation, and also +50 for our luminance. Okay, so next we're going to go to our effects. We're just going to sharpen the image by moving the sharpening slider up to +70. And that's completed the edit. So now you can see the before and after by holding the / key. That's the before, and here's the after. Now that we've created our edit, we can save that as a preset. So down the bottom here we've got presets, and you can create a preset, and I'm going to name this Spring Petal. You can choose where to save it, so under user presets you can even create a folder. New group, create. Okay, these are the areas that you want to have ticked. So detail effects, color and light, and then press save. And then to apply that preset to any other image, choose your image, click the presets if the panel isn't already open, find out where you put your preset. So ours was under spring presets and it was spring Petal. And just scroll through the images and literally change them with one click. Again, you can see the before and after on any image by holding the backslash key. Here's the before, here's the after. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that preset tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe. It really helps me to grow the channel. I post these videos every single week, as well as Lightroom and photography tutorials. Thanks again for watching, guys. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.